Alright, welcome to lesson 11.8. As you are discovering throughout this piece, the difficulty involved in coordinating both hands can be tricky. In fact, this was a real challenge for me taking lessons as a kid. And I know it's a challenge for many piano students at all levels. However, breaking songs down into small portions is one of the best practice techniques that you can use. And if you're just joining this channel now, then go back and watch lesson 11.1. In that video, I go a little more into detail about this awesome practice technique. As I mentioned in that lesson, my piano instructor taught me this technique when I was just 6 years old. But in addition to that, the one thing that really helped me to improve my sense of rhythm was playing a chord on every beat. This might seem like a trivial thing, but it allowed me to keep a steady rhythm with my left hand, while playing the right hand melody on and around the chords. This is why I agreed to teach for the Piano Academy. The teaching methods that Mr. Guy Fawkes uses are the exact techniques that I learned as a kid. And I can't emphasize enough how effective these techniques are. You'll be so glad you subscribed to this channel once you've completed each video in the Lesson 11 series. Alright, in today's lesson recording, you'll hear measures 7 and 8, and I'll be stopping on the first beat of measure 9. Okay, here's today's lesson. Well, that's it for today's lesson. Remember to follow my practice instructions to the letter. And if you're just joining us, click the link in the description box below to download the free music. We never ask for your email or credit card. Just click the link and download the music. It's that easy. I'm Kayla, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.